Although, though, even though. Are those words tricky for you? Do you want to know how to use them? Well, stay tuned
because it will be a
We'll be unveiling the secrets behind the usage. Hello everyone, my name is Will. Welcome on WLA. As I said, today we'll be unveiling the secrets behind the usage of although, though, and even though. You will know how to use them correctly in English sentences and in spoken English. Even when you'll be making sentences in the written form, you'll know how to use them correctly. So, to use although you must understand that the meaning behind although is a contrast. It comes to show a contrast between two clauses. Now, when it comes to the structure in a sentence, we put though, a subject, and the verb. Now, we'll be looking at this sentence. Although it rained a lot, we enjoyed our vacation. So you see, as I said, although we express a contrast. So in this sentence, we have two clauses, the first one and the second one. So in the first one, we have an action, and in the second one, we have another action. In the first clause, we said it rained a lot. So what does it mean? It means that in spite of or despite the rain that came, we nevertheless enjoyed our vacation. Okay? The first action that took place didn't impeach us to doing what we had to do. All right? So although we express that contrast in our sentence, although it rained a lot, we enjoyed our vacation. It means during all our stay for our vacation, it rained a lot. Sometimes we use though instead of although. So just look at this example. I didn't get the job though I had all the necessary qualifications. I didn't get the job though I had all the necessary qualifications. See, here in this sentence, though comes to express the contrast. The boy had all the necessary qualifications, yet, though he didn't get the job, in spite of all his necessary qualifications, he was not hired. Okay? In spoken English, we often use though at the end of the sentence. Look at this example. The house isn't very nice. I like the garden though. The house isn't very nice, but I like the garden. All right? So though at the end of this sentence will come and express kind of contrast between the first idea or your impression about the house and the second one about the garden. Okay, so I didn't appreciate the house, but I like the garden. Now, even though is a stronger form of although. So let us look at this sentence. Even though I was very tired, I couldn't sleep. Even though I was very tired, I couldn't sleep. So as I said, it is a stronger form of although. So now what I'm gonna do is to ask you to build a sentence with one of these expressions I've taught you, although, though, and even though, in the comment section below to let me know that you've understood the lesson I've given today. So thank you, dear followers, for today. That's the end for our lesson. And if you've appreciated this lesson, I'll invite you to leave a blue thumb, to subscribe, and to share the video to your friend. Thanks, and catch up later.